Good morning, futures traders. Today is Wednesday, April 1st, the time 9:33. We're trading the Nasdaq Open today using Praedox Sentinel. We did have an open down prediction, which I did take short, so we had our break even plus 21. Now we are in
Order filled.
auto mode here. And we are in a trade right here with a crossfire. We are at break even,
Stop
trailing now, and we are at 578. So we're going to let this run a little bit. Like I said, we did take a market open prediction down for the short. It did hit our break even plus 20 ticks. And you just saw we had a crossfire long as well. This is a reversal trade. So we're just going to let this run a little bit so you can see it work in auto mode. Haven't been around lately. Ended up catching a bad case of vertigo. So this is my first day on my feet trading. It's been a while. So sorry about that. So I'll just let it run. You can see here we created a control center here, so we took the grids off the chart, give you some more room, allows you to change your settings on the fly. We have enhanced our FibGuard trade manager so that it evaluates the trade you're in and will determine whether or not the trade is going bad or not, so that you don't hit your full stop loss. So this is the enhanced trade manager we're running with today. So again, no other trades other than the crossfire at this point. So we'll let it run a little bit so you can get a good feel for how this works in auto mode. I don't recommend letting it run all day, but for the first couple hours, it seems to do decently. So you can see we're right at our golden pocket and golden ratio right here. And these fibs do automatically update for you. So they're auto fibs, as well as the volume profile. So I will pause the video until we get into a trade as to not make this long. Still no other signals. You can see here we did hit our 78.6 and our London high here. So we're heading back down. It looks like right off the London high. So again, we're just letting this run. Okay, still no signals, but you can see we did come off of the London high relatively close. Now we're heading down again. Pretty big bar here. I don't think we'll get into a signal with this one. It's over 120 ticks, it looks like. Yeah, definitely over 120 ticks, because each one of these are 40 ticks each, these horizontal lines. So yeah, so 312 tick bar right there. You can see we came through the value area high right here, this gold line. And now we're at the VWAP, heading towards these high volume nodes right down here, this shade in pink here. So we're just going to let it run. Okay, so we bounced off of the high volume node down here, as well as the VWAP, and we're heading back up. So depending on how large this bar is, and if it closes above the EMA, we may get into an aggressive trade here, but it needs to close above that white EMA. And it did not. So no trade. Okay, you can see we're still bouncing off this high volume node right here. So clearly pre-market was doing it. We did it on market open. We're doing it again now. So we got to see if we're going to break through it. But we're still respecting this area with some volume. So we will not have a signal. Okay, we're headed back up here. See if we can make some forward momentum here, breaking through this EMA.
Praedox EMA breakout long.
So we have a breakout long potential here. It's not really getting any follow through here. So
Order filled.
okay, we are in the trade. It's not getting a lot of follow through though. Usually when these go through, here we go. We got to our break even, hit our target, and we're done. All right, so we're going to turn trading off for the day. Let's take a look at our daily report, which is our report that gets generated. You can hit the daily button here and it'll give you the real-time update to where you currently are. So you can see here we had 2 signals fired. We took 3 trades. That's the market open predictor. First part of the report gives you, let's make this full screen here. First part of the report gives you any economic news. I have all the news turned on. Shows you your P&L curve, your performance by the hour, the signals. So we had a crossfire and an aggressive trade here, the trade lock. So here's the manual trade that I took earlier on the market open predictor. We took that short. We got a nice quick win there. You can see the crossfire that we took, 62% efficient. So we got a pretty good number of ticks. And then you saw the aggressive long we just took there, right? So it'll show you anything that got suppressed. It shows you the volatility that's going currently active, and then your settings, and then a quick analysis of the day, your winners, your capture efficiency, what it reached, and then some history, and then any key takeaways you have here. So, and then what to focus on tomorrow. So again, all this comes with Praedox Sentinel. And like I said, you can click on the daily report, or you could see your performance. So if you're trading this account over multiple days, again, this is a
Praedox
fresh
CMA
account
breakout
because
short.
we're testing some new features here. So you'll get a performance report that shows you the daily. So by day. So if you have this running 10 days, you'll see 10 days worth of P&L data here and so on, and your complete trade. So again, since we're testing FibGuard Enhanced Trade Manager, we don't have much performance on this account because it's a test account. Anyway, so you can see we had an EMA aggressive breakout here. That would have had a win as well, but we just turned it off, so no need to let it run. So anyway, that is Praedox Sentinel in auto mode. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, as always, please feel free to leave a comment, shoot a message on Discord, send me an email. Happy to respond. Discord's free to join. You can hop on there. You can ask questions of any of the traders that are there. They'd be happy to talk to you. I'm there as well. If you want more information, visit praedox.com, Praedox. That's how Praedox Sentinel works in auto mode. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please do like and subscribe. Have a great day, and I'll be back at it tomorrow.